Well, hello everyone! Welcome to Budina Talks, your cozy corner for improving your English listening and comprehension skills. Here you will also get to practice how to ask all kinds of questions in English, all while listening to fun, real-life stories of my family's travel adventures. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe because that's important, and hit that little bell so you never miss a new episode. Now make yourself comfortable and let's get it started. This one is definitely a very funny picture. My younger daughter is eating a pancake with chocolate. She's absolutely enjoying it because chocolate is all over her face. It was our first day in Paris and our first lunch there. We just came from the suburbs of Paris. One nice French family that I know lives there, and they agreed to host us during our stay in Paris. So we went to their place, left our backpacks there, and headed off to explore the city center. But we were hungry, so in the first place we found this cafe, La Crêperie, where they serve pancakes. And it's right in front of the University of Sorbonne. It was a hot sunny day, so we sat at a table outside. We ordered pancakes with mushrooms and cheese. And of course, the girls ordered pancakes with chocolate. I speak French, so I made the order in French. And my daughters learned a few words in French, like bonjour, s'il vous plaît, merci, and they liked saying them to other people. But I can say that nowadays, there are much more people in Paris, especially waiters in restaurants, who speak English much better. So if I didn't know French and I wanted to order something, I could say, Monsieur, I will have a pancake with chocolate, please. Or, we will have a dessert first, please. 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream for each of us. If you are on vacation, why not try a dessert first, right? When we finished our meal, we asked for the check. But actually, I used the wrong word. So a very nice old couple from the table next to us corrected me and told me that if I want to ask for a check, I should say l'addition, s'il vous plaît. It's similar to an English word addition, l'addition. It was very nice of them to help. So I paid the bill with a card, left some tips for the waiter because he was very nice, and we headed off to the Luxembourg Garden, one of my favorite places in Paris.